Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create auto captions in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the CapCut app. Here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just swipe down, so this thing opens up. And then in the middle row on the right side, we find auto captions. We tap on this. Then we have to select video from here and tap on add. As you can see, here we have some things that we can do. And then just tap on generate. Like this, and the app is going to generate the captions, and then we can check if it's correct or not. Let's just wait. Yeah, here, as you can see. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.